Project in the works. Working on a rod rack. As you can see, I just built myself a frame. Gonna have a shelf here, rods up top. Alright, it's starting to look the way it's supposed to. Sorry, it's dark out here. Okay, here's how we're looking so far. Pretty much got it all stable. Got zip tied in. You know, it seems like it's doing a pretty good job. Created a whole lot of space. I just put my bass rods there for the moment being. I got room for my bait cooler. Got my cast net, got my tackle box, got my cart, got my light. And I'm gonna put my other bags, my umbrellas. I've got a 10x10 canopy that I'm gonna set up there. And probably for now, I'm just gonna have my jackets, coats and everything up on the sides to keep from any possibility of any sliding to break my window. So I'm pretty confident it'll be okay. Also, I can more than likely bungee straps on this on each side down to this support bar. So pretty confident with it. Definitely gave me a lot more space. And I've got 3 more rods to put up there. I think I'm gonna put my boat rods. I got 3 of them. Well, I've got more like 8 or 9 of them, but I only use 3 of them right now. So, all right. Well, let's see what it looks like. I actually have a back seat now for the first time in a year. Still kind of messy. This I'm not sure about right now. It's just pretty much a little ratchet strap across here, which might be okay for now. It seems pretty sturdy.